All right, man, good luck. Beautiful morning out here. Trying a different spot on a local lake. I've never been on this side. I think it's gonna produce some big bass over here. The layout is pretty much the same as the other side of this lake, but this side seems like it has a little bit more down trees, which I think will probably hold some good sized bass. So we're gonna give these down trees a try. I'm gonna try I don't know how the bottom is in here. It's probably the same as the other side, a bit grassy. I'm gonna try this black and blue jackhammer. See if I can get something to chomp on this. Should be some nice big bass in here. Let this thing sink down to the bottom. Some down trees. I don't want to get caught up in those trees with this lure here, but there's a good one right there. It's a good size. Wow, that's a chunk. Second cast. Nice big one. Wow, that was great. I knew there was going to be some nice bass over here. Come on. These hooks are a pain to get out of. You ate that thing. All right, buddy. We'll get you unhooked there. There you go. Man, you really killed it. That's a nice chunky. Look at that one. Oh, yeah. Wow. Second cast, guys. That's amazing. Just have to get a quick pick right here. Beautiful fish. I love when they do that. Wow. I knew that was going to definitely hold a fish. It's a good spot right there for them to be. That head would have been all of 2 pounds. Easily. Easily 2-pounder. Definitely gonna go around that backside though. I know there's gonna be some tanks back there. Absolutely. That's awesome. Oh, there's a hit. Oh, that was a definite hit too. I have to back up. That was a definite hit right there off of that tree. I don't know if he'll hit again, but we'll find out. Some definite seaweed down there. Feel it getting caught up in that little hammerhead there. Stops it from vibrating. Man, what a good fish. The second cast, huh? I'm gonna go around this point over towards this other side of this tree. I got a funny feeling there's gonna be a lot more over here. I think there's definitely gonna be more fish right in this area. Oh, I gotta come back a little bit here. There's no wind or current, man, and this really drifted me. It's real early in the morning. There we go. I gotta get out of that seaweed there and see if we can attract another fish here. can't wait to get that little anchor hooked up to my trolley here. That's coming in today from Amazon. Just a little 3.5 pound claw. It's gonna hook onto here and keep me from floating around. You know, once I find a good spot, I can really sit in here and do some good casts. I'm just gonna throw this black and blue around for a little while and then we'll switch off. Let's try out a little bit further here. There's a lot of grass down there, that's for sure. That was probably a lucky throw there, that first second cast. It's a good spot for the fish to hang out. I know I'm gonna go over there and definitely gonna throw Texas rig in there though. Just don't want to lose this $20 jig on a down tree here in the water. Oh, there's gonna be some fish over there in that tree too. We're definitely gonna go hit that side after we hit this side. I'm gonna hang back a little bit here. Down there in that grass too far. Probably something all tucked up underneath them banks right there. That's where I gotta get this. Oh, there's one. This is gonna be another nice one right here, I can tell. Whoa. Oh, he's a fighter. Oh yeah, look at that. Came right off too. Nice chunk. Come here, boy. Oh, you're a good size. Look at this one. Oh, got a little cut on it. That wasn't for me, I promise. Another chunk. Man, these are some good fish over here. I'm glad I came to this side. Let's give this one a little picture for the wife. Oh man, that's a chunk. I'm gonna weigh this one up. I think this one's gotta be a good 2.5. Zero it out. There we go. Get a little scale on this guy. I don't know why it's so hard for my hands to grab this stupid little hook here. There we go. Get right in that gill. Alright, there we go. It's good enough. Oh, maybe not. He don't like it. He don't like the scale. There it is. Probably 1.5. Oh, he's 2. 2.1. 2. 2.1. All right, we're 2.1. That's what we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it a 2.1. Nice fish. All right, we'll let you go. You seem a little aggravated. All right, we got the Kraken craw on there, 1/4 ounce weight. We're gonna try hitting all around these trees and logs. It's super shallow right here. I doubt there'll be anything in there, but it's worth a shot. I got this thing Texas rigged too, and it's still pulling in a ton of seaweed here. I like to try to get up on the other side of this thing. Man, oh, largemouth right there. That was the strangest thing I've ever had happen. He basically came up after my bait, right? Got wrapped around my line. I almost pulled him in just by him wrapping himself around the line. But oh, that's a big one. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh man, he's still pulling. This is a big one. Nice. He's a chunky. Definite chunky. Alright. Let's get myself out of these trees here first. There we go. We're gonna swing the pole around the other way here. There we go. Now we can get this guy unhooked. There we go. Oh, this is my biggest one yet. Definite. Definite chunker. Man, he's in there good. There we go. Wow. This is a chunky. A belly. It's a nice one. Gotta take a picture of this guy for sure. Zero it out. It's probably a 2.5, I'm gonna say. Come on. we go. Stay still. One 1.8. 1.8. Alright guys, we're on the other side of the lake now. I'm going to cast along these trees here. This is where I first came in, but then I'm going to go up this coast and see if we can get some fish up that way. There's like a duck or something. There he goes. He's gonna take off. They're one of them ones that go down under the water and then he just disappear for 5 minutes and then he'd pop up 100 feet down the way. Those things are nuts. But we've got these down trees right here. I got some seaweed stuck on there. There we go. Pulled a nice one out by that birch earlier. So now we're gonna go up this other way. See if we can get something here. Looks like a campground over here. I think they open at like 10, so I have to be out of here by 10. Gives me about an hour and a half. Try to get a few more largies. Might be another largie hanging in there. Come on, seaweed, get off of there. Ugh. Ain't getting free of that glob. Hey man. Cast right in between these two logs. See, oh, that's not a good one. That's gonna get caught up on there. Right in there. Oh, I knew it. Oh man, don't go under that. Oh, this one's bad. Oh. That's a good one. Wow. Nice chunky. Wow. Jesus, this one's a tank. This one's a good one. Let me get a weight on this guy. Kind of figured there'd be one hiding in between those two logs. There we go. Easy, come on, easy, it's okay. 1.8. 1.8, 1.9, 1.9. That's a good one. There you go. Gotta be something up in this big tree. That was it. Oh, dang. Can't believe I missed him. Surprised we're not getting nothing by these cattails. There's a bite. He's a small one. Don't jump. Don't jump. I ain't that small. He kind of looks small, but he's not really small. Come here. Not a bad size. That's a good size too. It's probably 1.5 pounds. Thank you, sir. There'd be something over here by these cattails. Just took a little while. Ain't much left of this bait. This trailer's just about had it. Whoa, something come out for that. Oh, something come flying out for that. Not that time. Ooh, that's a chunky. Oh. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nice. Thanks. Sorry about the lip, bro. Oof, you're hungry. I saw you come zooming out for that one. You're definitely a 2-pounder. Nice. There you go. Thank you. Just tossed it right in that corner. I saw the ripple shoot across the water. I knew he was gonna get slammed. He was so hungry he chased it right out. This trailer's just about had it. But I don't want to replace it because I'm almost done. I'm gonna try to save it. We're gonna go hit those weeds. 9:30. Got 30 minutes. 30 minutes to hit all this. Think I can get it done. That was a bite. Oh yeah. Oh, he's under the boat. Come on, buddy. Why are you going under the boat on me? Wow. I think this might be the biggest one I got yet. Whoa, he choked it. There we go. This one definitely has some weight to it. This might be that 2-pounder. All right. Another 1.6. Another 1.6. Not a bad one. We'll take it. There you go, buddy. All right. My God, he's cute. He jumped in the boat. What the? I threw him in the water and he jumped back in the boat. You done? That was crazy. I've never had that happen.